Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos on Telegram using your PC or laptop. First, make sure you have installed Telegram on your computer and that you are logged into your account. I have already connected mine, so I will go ahead and open it. Just wait a few seconds for it to fully load. Now you can see that I have already joined the channel that shares videos. When I open the channel, the video starts downloading automatically. Telegram usually auto-download media, but sometimes it can be hard to find where the file is saved on your computer. To easily save the video to a specific location, simply right-click on the video and click Save As. Then choose the folder where you want to save the file and click Save. That's it. You can use the same method to download any video from Telegram on your PC. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.